clips, show me the trailer. I saw some stuff. What I saw of
Really? You're lucky I don't take you home and deep fry you or something. Come on. Why are you in the road? This is like the dumbest joke ever.
Whatever, he looks like pretty neutral. Whatever, just give me a while and maybe piss off his window should be up in there. Oh, shit. But I would tell like certain family members, like, man, this guy did this to me. And they was like, wait, who? What'd he look like? Like,
That was a no stopping. What's this guy stopping for anyway? Yeah, turn signal would work before you start turning, you know?
the person I can. So
no, stop.
I ask you like I'm super direct.
No, stop, big red truck. Red light run, red light run, Admar construction, something another. Red light run.
I've heard that parrots live a long time. What are the birds that live 100 years? They live so long that you actually
really
have to put something about them in your will.
And they'll just pop up somewhere else. It's kind of like, has this very extensive underground network of routes, I think. I'm going to stop.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
The wave nature of light. So classical as opposed to quantum optics, I guess. Is that how you distinguish that?
Yeah, that's exactly
red light
it. Light
run,
is the wave.
red light run, red light run.
Out across the gray waters until night fell, and I was called to wash my hands for dinner. To my delight,
no, stop.
My father swooped me up in his arms.
I know that our mutual friend Joe, he's kind of meticulous about keeping track of.
No! Stop.
Yeah, I mean, good on you.
Yeah,
what they're referring to.
Have fun with that. I mean, damn.
Go in, you just ran right through.
Like, you know, hardcore porn there.
Right turn, dive thing.
We have this anymore.
No,
we don't need this
Don't
anymore.
fucking need them. There was another story, and I didn't put it in the notes because it didn't have the racial component.
Right turn, dive, and cut off thing. Sucks to be you, you're in the video. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Hey, what the hell's that guy doing? Really? Yeah, he's walking on Toyota turd, I guess.
Well, I think we've got to separate it into like these. You know,
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Valuable, or is a baseline habitat for whatever it might be. Maybe it's acid rain.
No, stop.
Seems to be climate change.
Hi, this is Annie Trian. I was the creative director of
Red light run, red light run, red light run. And I thought he was going to go through that no turn on red, but he didn't.
I don't think that's wrong at all.
Okay, well, let's move on. Other than that, you can sign petition, yay. Lauren Boebert told drag queen... Lauren Boebert told drag
what the hell is that?
District, everybody. Number 5, I miss the heat of hell, says unimpressed soul. Wow. Whoever that is, I'm going to have to find them and send them back.
Suburban transportation!
Hell release, and then shit talk heaven, okay? Number 6. Report.
Big part in Miami too, and now working for ESPN, and he works for the 33rd team.
No, stop way up there.
NFL.
There's cars coming. Hello.
For kids, and Haley and I were talking like, It's an entirely plausible scenario that like the younger kids could be
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Mechanism held by a rope. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the police sub-inspector's name. I'm sorry, I'll just...
Wait, that was no stop.
Causes, it can be a question of life or death for folks around the world. And hopefully this contributes in a positive way.
Oh, you need distance? You don't have to change your glasses.
No, stop.
I mean, they're ugly as hell, but apparently they work.
Yes, it is a Nissan driver.
I would do that.
Damn, they suck.
One of the great games.
Why are you sitting in the middle of the roadway? Holy, there's like... You can move closer to the curb. It's possible. Really? Masshole. Really? Come on, do the deed, get on camera. Or we could have just kept going straight and made this very next left and then make another left and then you'd be at the exact same spot. But no, we gotta make things slightly difficult because you're not paying attention.
One hour later.
How'd you get there? I don't think a car gets on those rocks by accident.
I mean, in your work, you've often cited the Bible as a historical text.
But that ain't stopping, ain't no stopping, faux hopping, ass dropping, Coupe de Ville. Wait, why are we not stopping? And that's what we do it, fool. You know how we do it. Are you sure you want to go in there? Read your GPS better or something. I don't know.
I always say that I was the founder, and I love that, and I love seeing these people just be so excited.
No, stop.
About getting bit up by
Tough, messy thing, but can I ask you one hard question underneath all of this?
Yeah.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. And it's for real right now because we just passed the sign. There's no trucks allowed in the left lane here. November through April. And it's still April. Today is the 24th. Even though this video will be out well past April. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. We cannot be there. Even though it's 2 lanes. Even though it's not really snowing out. Sorry, you get to be in the video. It sucks for you. Oh well. Oh well. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye!